to see you parade as cadets for the last time. I am pleased that this batch has produced female cadets who have shown outstanding performance, many of whom proudly swarm the elusive list of top 10 performers and special awardees. Let us all congratulate this year's valedictorian, Cadet First Class Janet B. Elumba, a proud daughter of Surigao City. I share with your parents the immense pride and joy that I know they are feeling right now. Tomorrow, it will be the people's turn to welcome you on your first tour as commissioned officers. Sa pagbaba ninyo sa kanila, alam kong dala-dala ninyo ang tanglaw ng bagong sinag na akma ninyo ipinangalan sa inyong hanay. The race that will not only blaze the path of your careers, but will illuminate the good, defeat the darkness, and be a source of enlightenment. You have fought hard, and for that cherished spot that you now occupy in the long gray line of torchbearers of freedom. And as you consecrate your lives to the defense of the Republic, I know you will neither fear nor falter, nor will you fall back. For you are products of the best military school in the world. You come from a great tradition of excellence.